Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. GlaxoSmithKline to buy shares in its Indian consumer business. Lanco Infratech to raise money from China. And markets end Monday with modest gains. We start with UK-based pharma and biotech giant GlaxoSmithKline. On Monday, the company announced it would buy back around $1 billion worth of stake from its consumer business in India. GSK says it will spend 5,220 crores to purchase an extra 31.8% stake in GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare. It will pay 3,900 rupees for each share. The purchase will give it a total stake of 75%, which is the maximum a promoter can hold in a public company. GSK says the planned buy is part of a strategy to invest in fast-growing markets. News of the planned purchase sent shares of GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare rocketing upwards. They closed 20% higher on the BSE at 3,651.80. Moving on, power company Lanco Infra says it will borrow from a Chinese bank to fund 2 new projects. Lanco will raise $2 billion from China Development Bank. The money will be used to fund 2 power projects in UP, both with a capacity of 1,320 megawatts. China Development Bank is owned by the Chinese government. It has already lent a total of $7 billion to various Indian companies. And finally, Indian markets closed Monday's trade with modest gains despite a sharp rise in some shares. The Sensex climbed 30 points to 18,537 and the Nifty went up 9 to 5,636. IT stocks did well on Monday with the rupee falling to a 2.5-month low. Shares of Infosys jumped up 1.71% on the BSE and Wipro gained 2.5% to about 376. Some airline stocks also soared after reports that foreign carriers could also invest in them. Jet Airways soared nearly 11% to 560 and SpiceJet shot up 13% to 44 rupees and 40 paise. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.